Hi kids, it's Miss Debbie at Fountaindale Library. Today I'm going to help you put together this little guy. I hope you stopped into the library and got your kit. Let's get started. So in your packet from the library, it all comes in a little plastic bag like this, and you're going to have your instructions, your panda, the back of his head, the front of his head, the parts of his body, his eyes, his black eyes, because that's the cute part of the panda, isn't it? His hat, the front and the back. You're going to get the bamboo stick, which is the back and the green detail, and the little berries that go on it. And then there's an optional part to this where you can make it a gift tag by putting that inside. I'll show you how to do that. And then what you would need for sure is a glue stick. Oh, you also get these little glue dots too to attach the bamboo stick to his paw. You're going to need a glue stick. And if you want to do something like this where you color it, the other side of this is white, and you can color it your own color, and you can color your panda any color you want. So those are things. So I have some crayons and some markers on hand if you want to do that part. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do then is take our little panda. You notice he stands up, isn't that fun? Like that, okay. So let's start with his face. We're going to put a little glue here and put that on the front of him. And we're going to take one of these body pieces and we're going to put that on there. Kind of look, see which way is the curved part kind of goes up on him, okay? And then he kind of matches up to the bottom of his legs like that. Okay, and then let's just continue with the front. We're going to put our eyeballs on. There's little lines here on the face that kind of show you where to line up your black circles. So let's see here. And the circles go up like that. So make sure you lay them out first so that you have them flipped around to the right way. Okay, now we have our front part done. Now let's do the back. We're going to put our head on there. And the back of our body. And again, you want that upper curved part come in there, and you want the rest down in line with his body. And then while we're back here, I'm going to put the hat on too. So there's little lines in the hat, so make sure that that part is going to face the front. So you want to kind of put glue on that part, then the ones with the little lines cut in it. And you want to put it so you can see his ears, okay? So this top line, you kind of line up with the top of his head. So that's kind of nice. You see that little break there? You can line that up with the top of his head. So then you got that going on. Okay, so now this is one of the parts you can customize. You could color this a different color. I'm just going to keep it red, so I'm going to put glue on this side. And again, these lines are kind of here to help you match them up so that the edges of the hat kind of fit where those lines go through. Okay, and then you want to match the center up with the center of the hat. So I match this up, and then I match the two ends up with the lines. And there is our thing. Okay. And now we're going to take our bamboo stick, and we're going to match up the parts there. Glue that. Put glue on those little berry parts because you kind of have to get this to stick in certain places so it'll all stay together. And then you can put your little berries on here. I'm just going to put a couple on for right now for the sake of time, but there should be 5 of them in your little pack to do them all up. Okay, and then you're going to take one of these glue dots here and it on his paw here. And then line it up so that he doesn't bother, it won't mess with him standing up. So you want the bottom of it to be above the feet. And you could put a little more glue up here too if you want it to make sure it's going to stay good. And you can leave that part off if you don't want to do the bamboo stick. See, and there he is. He stands up so cute. Okay, and then the second part is, since it's getting to be the holiday time, if you have a gift, you could glue this part in here and put to and from and make him a little gift tag by just taping his foot down, and you could put a little message here. Happy Holidays, or Merry Christmas, or Happy Hanukkah, or whatever you have there, okay? So that's just another little way to make it cute. If you want to give them away, and if you want to keep them, that's up to you. See you next time. Bye-bye.